Okay, chicos, today we're learning about my favorite one, reasons for the court hierarchy. Yeah. Okay, so you need to know two reasons and you need to just be able to explain them in like a formal kind of question. So you need to know two, and those two are specialization and appeal. Okay, so a quick recap of the court hierarchy. At the bottom of the court hierarchy, we have the magistrates court, which is responsible for summary offences. Okay, so lesser offences. Then we have the county court above that, the Supreme Court of Appeal, and then finally the High Court of Australia, which also does constitutional matters. Okay, on the sides at the magistrates level, we have the coroner's court, which looks after gruesome dead bodies. Ooh, and the children court, which looks after issues around children. Okay, so that's the court hierarchy in a nutshell. So less serious to most serious is the easiest way to think about it. Okay, a court has two jurisdictions. Okay, the first jurisdiction is the original jurisdiction. So what can it hear originally? And then the second one is its appellate jurisdiction. So what can it hear on appeal? Okay, so we've got a number of different ones. In original jurisdiction, we've got summary offences, indictable offences heard summarily, committal proceedings, bail applications and warrant applications at the Magistrates Court. At county, we've got indictable offences except murder or attempted murder or conspiracy. At Supreme Court, we have most serious indictable offences, and Supreme Court of Appeal, we don't have a original jurisdiction because you always go to appeal in that court. Okay, at the Magistrates Court is at the bottom, so no court is appealing to you. From the Magistrates Court, you may hear convictions or sentences go up to the County Court for appeal. From the Magistrates Court, it might be an issue of the law, so a discussion on a problem with the law. And then finally, you might hear appeals from the County Court or Supreme Court if you're at the Supreme Court of Appeal. Okay, so what are the two reasons? Okay, the first reason is specializations. Okay, the idea behind specializations is that it allows courts to develop their own areas of expertise. Okay, so courts will have more knowledge of a particular area of law. As law is quite broad and big, it allows a court to specialize in a particular area and deal within that area. Okay, so for example, the Magistrates Court specialises in summary offences. That means it can be dealt with nice and efficiently because they know how to deal with and understand how to deal with summary offences. Okay, so specialisation. The second reason is appeals. Okay, if you are dissatisfied with something in your criminal case, you are allowed to challenge it in a higher court. You're allowed to challenge the decision in a higher court. Okay, so you may appeal on the grounds of a question of the law. Okay, so maybe the law has been applied incorrectly. You may appeal on a conviction. Okay, so maybe you don't like whether or not you're guilty or not guilty. Okay, you may appeal on the severity of your sanction. So maybe you've decided that your sanction or your imprisonment of 25 years is too harsh. You think the judge maybe has been biased around it, and you may decide to appeal. Okay, so this allows, or this system of appeal allows or provides fairness because it understands that mistakes can be made in the court system and allows those mistakes to be rectified. Okay, so that's really it for today. Nice, short and sharp. Thank you.